Hello there. Today you join me in the middle of a mess and I've got a horrible feeling that I'm about to make it worse. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, we're in the Vauxhall Corsa D trying to remove the front passenger seat because it's broken. Now, this seat is held in place by 4 bolts. There's 2 down here at the front and, just for luck, 2 down there at the back. And 3 of these bolts came out very easily, just with an ordinary, what's that thing called? A T50 Torx bit. And look, there they are. However, bolt number 4, which is at the back of the seat down there, came partially out, jammed solid and stripped. Here's a close-up. I don't even want to think about how long I spent trying to get that bolt out, but it's a period of time best measured in ice ages. So far, to remove this bolt, I've tried Torx bits, of course, with an associated ratchet. I've tried mole grips various times, lubrication, of course. I then got increasingly desperate and moved on to these things that I bought to install a washing machine. I've even tried shocking the bolt loose with a hammer, all to no avail. I've then tried different sockets and ratchets and even these Allen key things, which, well, they sort of gripped it a little, but nonetheless, despite these increasingly desperate measures, the bolt is still absolutely jammed solid, and I have had enough. Now, there are tools available that remove stubborn bolts, but I don't have one. The nearest shop that might sell one is a 2-hour round trip, so we're going to try something that may make the situation better or worse. We're going to try and drill the head off the bolt. Yeah. Right then. Let's have a go. I have got some safety goggles, by the way. Better put those on. Right. Oh, well, we've got 2 chances. It's now a few minutes later, and can you guess which piece of equipment essential to today's operation has stopped working? Yes, the drill. It won't turn on. As we can see, it's just packed up. Now, normally in this scenario, I just revert to my cordless drill, but the battery won't hold its charge. So as of now, we have 2 drills, both of which are paperweights. One of those days. Anyway, before the drill packed up, it was making some progress on the bolt head. As we can see, there's far less of it than there was. So we were getting somewhere, albeit slowly. Now, I did consider attacking that bolt head with an angle grinder, but there's not really space to get the disc on there safely, and also that would make a lot of sparks, and I don't want to set fire to the seats or the carpet or anything else. So, as of now, we don't have any way to remove that bolt, mostly because the drill packed up and it's too late in the day to pop to the shops and buy a suitable tool. So I'm going to have to go online, see what's about and order something from there. First though, I need a whiskey.